Inspire Alladora Slate Roofing provides the homeowners the authenticity, beauty, and quality of a traditional thick slate roof, but without the problems of traditional slate. A uniquely engineered composite roofing system, Inspire Alladora Slate stands the test of time better than natural slate. It will not break or delaminate, weighs 75% less, and is virtually maintenance-free. The composite slates offer a Class A fire rating, a Class 4 impact rating, 110 mile-per-hour wind uplift protections, and it's virtually maintenance-free. And unlike traditional roofing products, Inspire Alladora Slate comes with a transferable limited lifetime warranty. For the contractor and installer, Alladora Slate has been designed and engineered to assure a fast and easy installation. By following these simple steps, you will provide a finished product that's not only beautiful, but also provides the home with the most durable protection available. Alladora Slate Roofing is installed using traditional roofing methods and tools. The slates can be fastened with hammer and nails or with pneumatic nail guns. They can be cut with a utility knife or a standard circular saw. You'll also need a tape measure, a pry bar, tin snips, and a chalk line. Note, only use blue chalk, never use red chalk. Alladora Slate can be installed with exposures ranging from 6 inches to 8 inches on roof pitches of 512 and greater. For pitches of 312 to 512, 7 inches is the maximum exposure allowed. Preparation. The roof substrate should be prepared as in any roofing job. Make sure that all previous roofing materials, if any, are removed down to the substrate. The area must be flat, smooth, sound, and clean. Examine the roof sheathing, verifying that sheathing joints are supported by framing and blocking or by metal clips. Verify that the substrate is properly sloped for drainage, and proper provisions have been made for flashings and roof penetrations. All flashings and penetrations must be in place before installation of the slates. The slates must be properly stored in their original packaging and kept in a storage facility where the temperature never drops below 20 degrees Fahrenheit. The slates must be properly stored on the job site. Use protective coverage over all pallets while being temporarily stored on site, as the tiles have a cambered design to ensure that maximum pressure is applied to the leading edge when installed. So it's important to always store them on the original pallets and on a flat surface. Never double stack the pallets. As with any roofing installation job, work should be performed in a safe, professional manner using all applicable safety practices and codes. Note that the slates can be slippery under certain conditions. Perform your work only when weather conditions permit. Slates may be installed in temperatures as low as 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Install underlayment and flashing following the manufacturer's installation requirements and comply with all local building codes. Remember, Alladora Slate roofs last a very long time. Be sure to use building materials that last as long as the roofing tiles. Nails should be stainless steel, hot-dipped galvanized, or copper. Flashings should be copper, aluminum, or steel. Use fasteners that are compatible with the metals in the roof so as to avoid stains from galvanic corrosion. Underlayment. In areas where the average winter temperature drops below 25 degrees Fahrenheit, a self-adhering ice and water barrier should be installed. The barrier should overlap the drip edge and metal flashings on the eave. It should extend a minimum of 24 inches beyond the interior wall and 36 inches for all valleys, rakes, and roof penetrations. Be sure to follow all manufacturer installation recommendations and observe your local building codes when installing the ice and water barrier. Next, install a single layer of ASTM D226 30-pound felt underlayment on all parts of the roof deck not covered by the self-adhering ice and water barrier. Install the felt perpendicular to the roof slope in parallel courses. Top lap the edges of the felt over the ice and water barrier by at least 3 inches. Side lap the ends of the felt by at least 6 inches. Top lap each additional course of felt underlayment by 3 inches and side lap when needed by a minimum of 6 inches. Tack down the underlayment with the appropriate fasteners. When underlayment is applied to these standards, the roof will achieve a Class C fire rating. If a Class A fire rating is desired, a single layer of MB Technologies Lay-Fast TU35 underlayment must be installed to cover the entire roof, following the manufacturer's instructions. Additional peel and stick underlayment should be applied according to local building codes prior to laying down the TU35. Starter and first course. Alladora slate tiles are fastened to the roof substrate with 2 nails. The nails must be placed in the 2 clearly marked spots or targets on each tile and must penetrate the roof decking by at least 3/4 of an inch. Be sure to avoid over or under penetration of the fasteners. Improper fastening voids the warranty and can compromise the roof system. Start by placing the starter pieces so that they extend no more than 1 1/2 inches beyond the eave drip edge. Nail them in place, holding a gap between starter tiles of approximately 3/8 of an inch to 1/2 inch. Install the first course of slates, making sure that they are even with the butt edge of the starter course. The joints between the starter pieces and the first course should be a minimum of 2 inches, so that the nails are covered by the next course and that there are no through joints from roof surface to underlayment. When the course reaches the opposite gable edge, cut the last tile vertically to achieve a width that will result in a straight finished edge. Cut the inside of the tile, that is, the side away from the roof edge, and then fasten it down, maintaining the gap spacing of 3/8 inch to 1/2 inch.